So about 12,000 miles or once a year, you're supposed to change your cabin air filter. However, if you hit the trails and you go through down some really dirty roads, you might want to change it a lot sooner. So I'm going to show you where it's at and how easy to change it. But for me, I chose the K&N washable air filter for the fact that I've been using their products for a very long time, and I like the idea that I can wash it as quickly and as often as I want to. If I was stuck on a trail somewhere and I don't have a secondary filter, you can wash it, dry it overnight, and then put it back in. Let's get started. So here's the filter. This is what you would expect from K&N. It's very sturdy, very clean, very well made, and it also comes with written step-by-step instructions. So even if you don't watch this video and see how it works, they actually provide that to you in the box. It also comes with your occasional sticker that you see for reusable filters that you can stick somewhere. I'm not gonna worry about it because I do my own maintenance, but you might want to use this. As far as tools, the only tool that I'll be using for this whole install is actually a 7mm socket. So just open your glove box. The first step we're gonna do is remove this. So this is an 81A package, so it doesn't have the carbon fiber accent. However, it's the same way. You just pull up and then back. There's one piece back here, just pull on it and then it comes right out. Okay, so the second part is you have two screws here. They're 7mm that you're going to back them out. And then retain them because we're going to reuse them. So you tug on this, just pull a little bit and it will come out. Once it comes out, you can either remove this to make it easier for you, or you can leave it and just move it either way. I'm going to remove it because it makes it easier to record. Just going to push it out of the way there. So now your filter is all the way in there. So you need to pull on this tab here and this tab back here on the other side, and that comes out. And you can see how it goes in. Bottom pieces go in and then it clips on. Just try not to shake it because it might be really dirty, and just pull it back. This is 24,000 miles. It's not that bad at all. Part number is Victor Foxtrot 2049, and you can see the K&N logo. You want those to be upright once you insert it in and put it back in the truck. So you see the orientation, it goes between the two rails and it sits in there. You could see the part number outside, upside, in the possible proper direction. So we're gonna do this panel back on. We're gonna make sure that those two hook in those here first, and then it makes it much, much easier to put on. All back. So now we're going to put this panel back on. Don't forget to reconnect this if you disconnected it. It's very, very easy, very simple. Just take your time and then pop it back in. Put the screws back in. Then this panel is going to go so you could see where the tabs go in and their orientation. That way you understand how you fit them on. So you put it in the proper position from the top like this first. Then you push down and then you fill the bottom pieces in. And that's it. It took about 10 minutes. I've never done it before. Thanks to my buddy Helio with Keep It Dirty Off-Road, who sent me his video first to watch. Made it so much easier. Don't pay someone to do this, change it yourself. So this was a really quick and easy job. I would estimate maybe 10 minutes. If you want to take your time, maybe 15 minutes. Replacing the filter, you can get one from your dealer. You can order them online or Amazon. They're about anywhere from $12 to $17. The one that I chose was rewashable, reusable. I prefer it that way as long as you oil it properly. I'm gonna leave a link on the website for you. If you have any questions about any of our installs and other products, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you and have a good one.